Hey everybody, welcome to the Power Range. I'm TK.
No, you got that wrong.
What?
You got that wrong. I'm Dusty. This is TK.
Uh-huh.
Well, welcome back to Power Range.
I thought you was a Buffalo Bob or something to do with that.
Just stay focused. Stay
the
focused.
hat there. Well, today's episode is sponsored by
American Tactical Pawn in Shelby, North Carolina.
That's right.
And it is cold.
Yeah. I don't know if y'all can tell, but we got us a burn barrel going. And we got some tables downrange. Oh, not tables. Doors downrange. So today we're going to show y'all the difference between different shotguns at different distances. Just have a good time. And make sure y'all stick around to the end so you get hit in the face with the pie. And please like, comment, subscribe. It means absolutely
the world to
to
him and me and everybody else.
It's cold, man. I'm trying to get my words working.
Hey, mumbling. Yeah. You got a hair sticking up right there.
I know I do.
Look at it.
No.
Look, come here.
No.
You got a hair sticking up right there.
No.
There you go. There you go. Look at him. I'm going to learn him something today.
All right, let's go. All right, folks, we're going to start off with the Bond Arms 410, 45 long, little over and under pistol. See there? We're going to put some 410 birdshot in it. We're back a little bit, and this thing should spread a good bit. You ready, Dusty?
Hopefully you'll hit my GoPro.
You good? I'm trying to aim to the right. You good?
Yeah.
Try again. Good? Bang. And we're clear. Look at the spread on it, man. And yeah, hitting those things, we back a little bit. That thing there doesn't give anything to it. Some of that stuff come back and peppered us a little bit. But it spread all the way here, there, all the way over. Oh, none of that stuff on
nope.
Through, buddy. Go ahead, Buffalo.
Same
Dusty.
round, different weapon.
Long barrel. Should help.
Hey, at least nothing come back and peppered us. Clear.
Look at that. That's much tighter. That longer barrel. It's still wide, but still that flat little pistol, it spread all the way down there. This stuff here was more centralized right in there.
It hurt a little bit more.
Yeah. Alrighty. Next we're using Mossberg 590S. Using loaded up with the mini shell buckshot. We'll just see what it does. You good, Dustin? We'll try to fire from the hip. Clear. Fire from the hip. I'm pretty good. Anything go through? Okay. So that birdshot from last time did go through that 410 too, by the way. And some of the buckshot went through.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Using TK's 1700 double barrel. What year model is it? What model?
I can't remember, man, to be honest with you.
And he don't know which trigger pulls which one, so
It's been a long time since I shot it.
we're about to find out. Here I'm working on a railroad.
Yeah.
Railroad gang. All right. This is old birdshot.
Yep. You found the trigger.
First one, I found the trigger.
It's got ejectors on it.
Ah, that was priceless. That was priceless.
12-gauge birdshot. That's the cup right there. That held together, but yeah, she went through. Done some damage biggin'.
And I hit TK in the gut with the shell.
Alright, we've come back about 5 yards now. This is what I call my Dove Slayer 9000. It's a Winchester model 1400. And it's got a, what's it called again? I've gone blank.
Plug, fluke.
Yeah, it's choked.
Choked.
Choked. Golly.
My mind went blank too.
Yeah. Same rounds Dusty basically used, birdshot. This has always been a very good dove gun.
Hang on a minute, I gotta get my box of tissue.
Good, Dusty?
Yep. It still held the cup together.
Yep. Clear.
Are you trying to see how many times you can hit in the same hole?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Got the Winchester 12 model 1200 pump. This is my grandpa's gun. He personally gave it to me.
Use a birdshot?
Yeah, birdshot. Same rounds you used earlier.
That one's got an open barrel on it. It's not choked.
Yep, not choked. Where's mine?
I would aim to the right when I don't hit the camera.
I love it. Clear.
Tell you what, man, that bird shot a little bit of a distance like earlier it does due to spreading. And that mini buckshot shells. They did a trick. They go through. I'm sure it did. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, so y'all seen a couple different versions of 12 gauge for dove and for home defense. This is like home defense 3-gun magazine fed. Got birdshot in it again, and right now it's open choked, so it's gonna spread pretty quick. This is a Typhoon Defense 12 gauge semi-automatic. All right, biggin, you ready?
Hey, I'm glad you used another hole.
Clear. The cup went through there. The spread kind of looking more over here.
There's no insulation inside this door.
No.
9 pellet, double up, 9 pellet, double up buck. Going in the Stevens 320.
Same distance.
Same distance.
As a bird shot though.
Same distance.
For the most part.
Same distance. I went for the left door so you could see the damage. Clear.
Oh yeah. How many shot was it?
9, all right here. And that must be the cup.
Yeah. That's pretty good, biggin.
So about a hand size from, what, about 15 yards away?
Yeah, around there. Next we have the law enforcement buckshot. 12 pellets, 1,290 feet per second. Out of the
Benelli.
Alright, biggin. I'm gonna go for the bottom of the left door. You ready?
Yep.
That gum thing's got a hit to him. Clear. I got double the fun.
He knocked one of the stars off.
So there's the cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Hey, he knows how to count.
13 with the cup. That stuff is
and it went all the way through and knocked one of the plates off the Texas Star. How about that? Using the Winchester 1200 model again, my grandpa's gun he gave to me. Hornady critical defense, 12 gauge, 2 3/4 shell, double up buck. 70 Mike.
it's got 10 shots.
Bottom right. God almighty. Yeah, that kick. Look how tight she kept it together.
Yeah, that long barrel. That did a trick. Papa will be proud of you. Next, we're using the Wolf Hill Trading Company 12 gauge 2 3/4 kitchen sink, loaded with 3 double lock bucks, 3 pellets double lock buck, 58 caliber musket ball, 400 number 8 bird shot. It says just about everything except the kitchen sink. That zoomed in good?
Yep.
And hold that. I got one right here. There's all set musket ball and stuff in there.
Mm-hmm.
Look like an upside down hidden Mickey. All right, let's see what it does. I kind of gotta. I'm gonna go kind of bottom right. You good?
Yep.
Clear. You can see the buckshot, bird shot, and that musket ball hole. There's a musket ball hole right there.
Oh, you shot right there. I thought you shot right there.
No, it's right there.
All right, using a benelli. I'm using this Reaper Defense Rhodesian Jungle. It's large pellets surrounded by smaller pellets. And I am trying to unhinge the right door. All right, let's go for the middle section first. It did not work.
You're good, you're good.
I'm thinking pumps, man. Clear.
He tried. We'll keep trying. We'll get that door, little buddy. Don't you worry.
Bring out the slugs.
All right, next we're using a benelli again. And we're using Reaper Defense triple deckers. And they actually look like, well, thank you. There. Triple decker of buckshot. And I'm gonna shoot the hinges too and see what happens. In a minute. I'll unlock it. All right. Ready, biggin?
Mm-hmm.
Clear. Tried to help out a little bit down there. I think I hit one up here too, but we'll get it eventually.
You know what that is?
Huh?
You know what that is?
No.
Inconsistency.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll get that word out in a minute.
We'll be more consistent here in a minute.
Half ounce slug, 410 shell.
What shotgun he's shooting out of?
This little man, I'll get it out. Yeah, this little cannon.
Little governor.
All right, you ready?
I'm good, little buddy.
That was freaking awesome. That was the last one. First time I shot slugs out of the governor.
I've done it out of the judge a bunch of times. It'll wake you up. You did a number on it, I'd say. You almost caught the hinge one of them.
I know.
Alright, next we're gonna stick with benelli again for a minute. I have 2 slugs, the 1 ounce slugs, KO slugs. Little punch bag on there. Charge it, rack it. Hold that sucker in there. You good? I think I missed it, but I did knock a hole in it. We're clear. I was aiming right here.
There ain't no hinge right there.
I thought there was.
No, the hinge is right down here.
Man, I thought there was a hinge right there. Well,
there's a hinge right here. There's a hinge right here. And the other hinge is down here.
Well.
Do you need a marker with some paint? Alright, let me show you how it's done.
Yeah.
I decided to get away from shotguns right now. Going with the 45-70 lever action. Marlin 1985 guide gun.
1895 guide gun.
1895 guide gun, my bad. But got 4 rounds of the Hornady critical defense.
Red tip 325.
Yeah, it's gonna paint the door red.
Oh, okay. And that's how it works.
That got away from me. Trying to focus on the.
Try to hit the one in the middle.
Is it me or is it Jumpy today?
I think it's you.
Me. Oh no, the hinge is gone.
Oh, that hinge is gone, yeah. That hinge is bent down there a little bit. I think I can see that. That and gone. We got 1 more to go, or 2 more to go. All right, this time I'm gonna go back to my Winchester. I'm doing you over here, 1400. And I'm gonna be loaded with 3 law enforcement buckshots. Try to take one of those hinges off.
The top one. That's right at that top hole right there.
I'm gonna do the top one. All right. L2. L30. You good, biggin?
Yeah. Over to the left a little bit. You got it. Just another fun. Go ahead.
Clear. Oh yeah, see I got a hold of it.
We have freedom.
You got 1 more hand to get.
You know why I like using the same stuff at your TK? Because I can say same gun, same round, same thing.
You gotta load. You gotta load. We gotta rack one.
Oh, you don't have the tube cleared?
He was all over it.
It's still on there. I went a little high. I thought that's what she was.
It's kind of poetic. We only had 2 of the law enforcement left, so I was like, yeah, I'm grabbing double barrel. L20. All right.
Make sure you know which barrel you're looking down.
You good?
Yep.
You good?
Yep.
Dang.
You shot too high again?
All right, hang on. Here we go. You ready?
I moved.
We're clear.
Oh, she's separated.
You gotta keep her separated.
Gotta keep it separated.
Yeah, so if you're in a tight spot and you only need one door at your house, you ain't got a saw, grab a shotgun and a bunch of different rounds.
Yeah.
It'll.
If you ain't got the screwdriver, just grab a 12 gauge.
Yeah. It'll do the trick.
Yeah. Hey, thank you for watching Power Range Day.
Hope y'all enjoyed
it. And I did shoot better than TK today.
Nuh-uh. TK done better today. I knocked them hinges off. And please like, comment, subscribe. It means the world to us. And today's episode of Remember Again was sponsored by American Tactical Pawn in
Shelby, North Carolina.
And I think I got your number on today, buddy. On them hinges, at least.
Think so.
I think so. And also ejected
I don't
2
know,
rounds.
man.
It was cool when I ejected 2 rounds out of the double barrel too, so I had that going for me.
Yeah, it was better when I shot the 5 slugs out of the governor.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, but I'll take 115. Yeah, that is cold.
There's smeared a little more. I got a whole line I didn't get.
That was cold.
Say bye, little buddy.
Dusty out.
TK gone.